In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Udemy without using an OTP, and we'll get through this in just about 5 minutes. It's a simple and easy method, especially useful if you're looking to bypass the hassle of receiving a one-time password. So, let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to the Udemy website. You can use any browser of your choice, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or anything else you prefer. Just type in Udemy in your search bar and click on the official link. Once you're on the homepage, take a moment to make sure everything's loading correctly. Now, look towards the top right corner of the screen. Here, you should see the option to log in. Click on the Login button to bring up the login interface. You might notice other options like Sign Up if you don't have an account. But for now, we're focused on logging in. If you've used Udemy before, this page will look familiar. What you want to do next is find the option that says Continue with Google. This is where it gets interesting, as this method will allow you to log in without dealing with an OTP. When you click on Continue with Google, a new window will pop up. This is your Google account login interface. If you're already logged into your Google account on your browser, Udemy will automatically recognize you, and you'll gain access immediately. However, if you're not logged in, you'll have to select your Google account from the list provided, or input your credentials to do so. Doing this allows Udemy to authenticate your identity without the added step of sending a one-time password to your mobile device or email. Once you've selected your Google account, Udemy should log you in directly. This is a super efficient method, especially if you use the same Google account for multiple services and want a seamless, quick login experience. And there you have it. You're now logged into your Udemy account without the need for an OTP, thanks to the Continue with Google option. It's a great way to streamline your login process and minimize the extra steps that can sometimes slow you down. Thanks for watching, and I hope that makes your Udemy experience just a little bit easier and quicker. If you found this useful, be sure to check out other tips and tricks that can simplify your online activities. See you next time.